Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 7th. Today's topic is operations on rational numbers. Today we will solve practice set 23. So let's begin.
Numbers in between rational numbers. If I will ask you, tell me the numbers between 10 to 20. Which numbers comes in between 10 and 20? Type your answer in the chat box. Don't use these numbers. You have to use the numbers which comes in between 10 and 20. 15 is there. Only 15 comes. Other numbers 14, correct? 13. Yes, Harshad Mane has written all 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, stop typing. These numbers are in between 10 and 20. Now next question. If I will ask you, tell me the numbers between -5 to 1. Tell me all numbers. Type all the numbers. Yes, very good. So numbers or integers in between -4, -3, -2, -1 and 0. These integers lies in between -5 and 1 or +1. As we are learning rational numbers. First was the example of natural numbers. These are examples of integers. And now we will see examples of rational numbers. If I will write 1/5 and 3/5. So which rational numbers will come in between these two rational numbers? That numbers will be after 1/5. Second rational number is 2/5. Then next one is, any other number is there? No, because next number is 3/5. So there is only one rational number is between 1/5 and 3/5, that is 2/5. But it's not true that only one rational number is there. How it is not true? Because if we will write its equivalent number, then more numbers will come, and that we have to learn it now. First thing is, in both the fractions denominators are same, therefore directly we got 2/5. But if in the given rational numbers denominators will be different, then first thing is we have to convert that denominators into equal denominators. Take another example of rational numbers. Suppose here instead of 1/5 I will take 1/2 and 3/5 I will write as it is, 3/5. Now in this rational number or in this fraction, denominator is 2 and in this rational number denominator is 5. We cannot say directly which rational numbers comes in between these two rational numbers. To find this answer, first we have to convert these rational numbers into the fraction with equal denominators, and we know that how to make the denominators equal. You will take denominator 5 and you will multiply first fraction with numerator as well as with denominator. Again you will take this denominator and you will multiply this numerator and this denominator. So I'm taking here 1 upon 2, here multiplication sign, and we have to multiply with this 5 at both the places. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Similarly here 3 upon 5 I will take, and I said we have to multiply with denominator of first fraction. So here 2, here 2, 3 to the 6, and here 10. Now we got equal denominators, but here 5 is there and next number is here 6. So is there any rational numbers in between 2? No, because here 5 is there and after 5 immediately 6 comes. So here there is no rational numbers in between 2. But what next thing we have to do? This rational number and this rational number, again we have to multiply with 2. So again increase these lines, take here multiplication signs, take here 2, here 2, here 2, and here also 2. 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 6 to the 12, and 10 to the again 20. Now here 10 upon 20 is there, here 12 upon 20 is there. Now in between these two rational numbers, yes, Atharva, you gave correct answer. In between these two rational numbers, which rational number will appear? 11 upon 20. Correct. Many are giving correct answers. The next thing is, if we want more rational numbers in between two, what next step you will do? This fraction and this fraction again you will multiply with 2, then you will get bigger numbers, but condition is denominators should be equal. Here 20, 20, 10, 10. If these are different, first thing we have to convert it into equal denominators, and then we will get the answer. Understand all of you? So today we are learning numbers in between rational numbers. Okay, start writing practice set 23. Question number 1. Write 3 rational numbers that lie between the two given numbers. First one, okay, we'll see. First one is 2 upon 7, comma 6 upon 7. Now it's very simple. If we see number line, here I will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Suppose here negative 1 upon 7, negative 2 upon 7, negative 3 upon 7, and here 1 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 5 upon 7, and 6 upon 7. Here is 2 by 7 and here is 6 by 7. So in between these two numbers, these 3 rational numbers are appear. So write down your answer. 3 upon 7, comma 4 upon 7, comma 5 upon 7. Second one is 4 by 5, comma 2 by 3. Now what we will do? Mute your call. First thing is, here denominators are different, so we will make it equal. Take here first fraction down, 4 by 5 multiply with 3. So here 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Similarly, take here 2 by 3 down and multiply with 5.
5 to the 10.
5 3s are 15. So we got here 10 by 15, 12 by 15. But in between 10 and 12, how many rational numbers lies? Only one, that is 11 by 15. But question is, we need 3 rational numbers. So what next thing we have to do? We have to multiply these two fractions again with 2. So increase these lines and multiply with 2. Put equal sign. 12 to the 24, 15 to the 30, 10 to the 20, and here again 15 to the 30. So here we have 20 by 30 and 24 by 30. Now we will take this fraction first. 20 by 30 comma 24 by 30. Now you can tell me answer easily. In between 20 by 30 and 24 by 30, which are the rational numbers? 21 by 30,
21 by 30,
then 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. Yes, these are the correct answers. Number 3, negative 2 by 3 comma 4 by 5. Again, in these two fractions, denominator is different. So first we will make it equal. So take your first fraction down, negative 2 by 3, increase your line and give your multiplication signs at the both place. And by which number we have to multiply? With denominator of this second fraction. So multiply here with 5, here 5, 5 to the 10, 5 3 is 15. Don't forget to give here negative sign as it is. Take here second fraction down, 4 upon 5, multiply with this denominator. Here 3, here also 3, 4 3 is 12, 5 3 is 15. So we got a lot of numbers in between. Don't consider it is 10 and 12, it is negative 10. It means if we see number line, if I am taking here 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, here positive 12 upon 15 will come somewhere, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, here negative 10 upon 15 will come. It means so many numbers we have in this area to write the answer. Okay, but in question what is asked? Write only 3 rational numbers. So from negative 9 upon 15 to positive 11 upon 15, any number by your choice you can write. Yes, negative 9 upon 15, negative 8 upon 15, negative 7 upon 15. These 3 numbers also you can write, or 0, even 0 also you can write, because it lies in between there these 2 given numbers. So write down answer. What I will do, I will take here negative 9 upon 15, I will take here 0, and I will write here this positive 11 upon 15. But you can also write other numbers, negative 9 upon 15, 0, and here 11 upon 15.
Fourth sum 7 by 9 comma negative 5 by 9.
Again you see on number line, this negative 5 by 9 will come to the left side here somewhere. Don't consider your 15, just consider denominator is 9 and upper number is 5, here somewhere it will come, and 7 will come here some in between. So many numbers you will get. And as denominators are equal, write down answer. I will write 1 by 9, comma 2 by 9, comma 3 by 9. Negative 3 upon 4, comma 5 upon 4. Write down answer. In between these two many integer comes, that is negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So out of these all integers, any three you can choose and write down here denominator 4. I will write here negative 1 upon 4, comma 0 upon 4, or if you write 0 also, then also your answer is correct. And I will write here 2 upon 4. Out of these, any integers you can write at the place of numerator. Write down sixth sum 7 upon 8, comma negative 5 upon 3. As denominators are different, we will make it equal. Take first fraction down, 7 by 8, multiply with 3, which is denominator of second fraction. 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24. Take here second fraction down, negative 5 upon 3, multiply with 8. Now 5 8s are 40 and 8 3s are again 24. Now we got here equal denominator. Here negative 40 is there and here positive 21 is there. It means around here 40 integers this side, negative side, and 20 integers on positive side. Around 60 integers you have. So you can select any three and write here answer. Therefore I will select all positive. I will write here 1 upon 24, 2 upon 24, 3 upon 24, and draw a box. Yes, many different answers may come. Write down 7th, 5 upon 7, 11 upon 7. Write down answer. As in between 5 and 11, 6 upon 7, 7 upon 7, 8 upon 7, 9 upon 7, and 10 upon 7. Yes, Pragya 6, 8 and 9. Atharva 6, 7, 8. Correct. So we'll write that only 6, 7, 8. 6 upon 7, 7 upon 7, 8 upon 7. Last one, 8th sum, 0 comma negative 3 by 4. Again if we see number line, here 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 1 upon 4, negative 2 upon 4, negative 3 upon 4. Here 0 and here negative 3 upon 4. Only two rational numbers are there. So what we'll do, we'll multiply both the numbers with 2. As if we multiply any number with 0, answer will come 0. So don't take here 0, take directly negative 3 upon 4, multiply by 2, 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8. Now here we have negative 6 upon 8. So if we change the number line, here negative 1 upon 8, negative 2 upon 8, like this. So we have many rational numbers in between. So write down answer. I will take negative 3 upon 8, negative 2 upon 8, negative 1 upon 8.
That's all for this video. If you are visiting our channel first time, please subscribe to our channel as it's totally free, and press bell icon. Like and share this video. And finally, thanks for watching and supporting. God bless you all.